1. Insert the downloaded Windows Server 2012 ISO file into the VM and power it on.
After booting the OS image file, on the first screen, select the language, time, and keyboard. Choose Windows Server 2012 R2 Standard GUI for easy configuration and management of Active Directory. Data center version is required when unlimited virtual instances are needed. For a typical physical server or a small-scale virtual environment, the standard version is more efficient. At the disk selection stage, for OS installation, partition the 30 GB disk according to its intended use, then proceed with installing the OS on the C drive. First, create the C drive with a size of 20 GB, which will be used for the OS and essential system files. The allocation of the C drive has been completed. The allocation of the 350 MB system reserved partition, which was automatically created during the C drive partitioning, is an essential part that supports the OS's boot and recovery functions. Second, create the D drive with a size of 8 GB, which will be used for the Active Directory, database, logs, and sysvol. The allocation of the D drive has been completed. Last, create the E drive with a size of 2 GB, which will be used for the virtual memory swap. The disk partitioning process has been completed. Since the OS needs to be installed on the C drive, it was partitioned as a primary type. The remaining drives were also partitioned as primary type. The drive for OS installation is partition 2, which will be used as the C drive, so select partition 2. Set the password for the administrator account. Windows Server uses secure attention sequence to prevent keyloggers and ensure a secure login. Therefore, pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete is required for login. However, the host PC recognizes this key combination. To ensure it is recognized only within the VM, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Insert instead. Enter the password set in the previous step to log in as the administrator. The installation of the Windows Server 2012 OS to be used as an Active Directory server has been completed. Proceed with the installation of VMware tools to improve graphics, optimize performance, and enhance compatibility with the host PC. The VMware tools image file can be downloaded from the VMware website. After completing the OS and VMware tools installation, create a VM snapshot to restore the system to its initial installation state if needed.
After installing the OS and creating an initial state snapshot, restart the VM and check the server's disk status and network configuration.
Use commands to verify that the C, D, and E drives are properly partitioned and have a status of healthy. The C drive is formatted with the NVS file system, while the D drive and E drive will be formatted later. Check the disk status using the Disk Management utility in the Graphic User Interface environment. Configure the network environment using VMware's Network Address Translation NAT virtual network. Check the network ID, subnet mask, and gateway IP in the NAT environment. Set the VM's network adapter to NAT. Set the IP configuration of the Active Directory server. Check the IP configuration. Check the network communication status.